Happy New Year, everyone. Thank you so much for subscribing, liking, sharing, and commenting. Nope, this is not chocolate cake. It is henna hair gloss. So if you want to see how I make this video, let's get into it. We'll be using some henna powder. We'll be using some amla powder. We'll be using some apple cider vinegar. And we'll be using some coffee. Yes, guys, we're using coffee today. We're adding coffee to our hair today. And we'll also be using some regular conditioner inside of this hair mask. So we started off by adding half cup of henna powder into our bowl. And after, please, guys, when you're using henna powder, be careful of the quality henna powder that you're using. Make sure that you use a body art quality henna powder because we don't want to be putting anything in our hair or on our body that's going to damage, or on our skin that is going to damage our skin. We want the good quality. So now we're going to add quarter cup of amla powder into our mixing bowl. So first we add half cup of henna powder, and now we're adding quarter cup of amla powder, and then after that now we're using 1 tablespoon of coffee powder. If you don't want to use coffee at all in your hair, this coffee powder is optional. You can leave it out. If you don't want to use the coffee powder like that, you can also mix the coffee, 1 tablespoon of coffee, into the water that you'll be using to mix your hair mask. And guys, we're using warm water, not hot water, and we're trying to get our hair mask to have a cake batter consistency or a yogurt consistency. The reason why we're using coffee in this hair mask is it helps to deepen the color and it also helps in gray coverage. While we're mixing our hair gloss, let me tell you some of the benefits of this henna hair gloss. It strengthens weak and thinning hair. It adds shines and thickness. It helps blend and cover gray hair naturally. It improves curl definition, reduces breakage and shedding. But before you apply this hair gloss to your hair, always do a strand test before you do a full application, especially if your hair is light colored or chemically treated. So let me give you some of the benefits of each of the ingredients. Henna, it strengthens the hair shaft by binding to the keratin. It reduces breakage and shedding. It adds thickness and fullness, meaning your hair feels stronger. So for this whole, while I was adding in the water bit by bit, the total amount of the water that I use is 1 cup of water. And henna is best used for weak hair, thinning edges, breakage, and gray hair coverage. Henna is a protein light treatment, so you should always balance it with moisture. And now for some of the benefits of amla. Amla encourage healthy hair growth. It strengthens root and reduce shedding. It helps balance out the drying effect of the henna. Enhance curl definition, darkens hair tone, and reduce brassiness, improves scalp health. So guys, now I am going to add 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar into our hair gloss. And coffee, it enhances the henna color depth. It helps darken and blend our gray hair. It stimulates the scalp and hair follicles, adds shine and improve hair vibrancy. It reduces dullness. Apple cider vinegar, it lowers the pH to help the henna releases its loss and dye. The apple cider vinegar also seals the hair cuticle for shine. It reduces frizz and smooth strands. It helps improve build-up. It supports scalp health. So guys, now that we're finished mixing our hair gloss, we're going to cover it in an airtight container, and we're going to set it aside for 6 to 8 hours, or for better yet, for the better and the best effect of this hair gloss, we're going to leave it overnight. We're going to cover it and leave it overnight so that the dye can be released properly. And this is the next day, you guys. You can see the shine. The shine is all already coming through. There is no oil, nothing in it excepting for the powders and the water and the apple cider vinegar. So now I am going to add 3 tablespoons of conditioner. Add any conditioner of your choice, guys. Any conditioner that you want to add, you can add it in this hair gloss. So now I'm putting in my 3 tablespoons of my conditioner. And the way how you apply this hair mask, you apply the henna hair gloss. You apply the henna gloss to clean the tangled hair in section. Make sure every strand is coated, especially the areas with gray hair. Once applied, cover your hair with a plastic cap and leave it on for 2 to 4 hours. Guys, when you're using any mask whatsoever or hair gloss or deep conditioner, it's best that your hair is clean. Before I use this henna gloss, I use a shampoo, a clarifying shampoo, because I want my hair to get the good benefits of this hair gloss. So this is the finished product, guys. Let me know in the comment section if you have ever used a henna gloss, or if you will use this henna gloss, and I will add a clip at the end of my hair with this gloss done. And I can tell you guys, like the effect of this hair gloss, it was like my hair enjoyed this treatment. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And this henna mask helps strengthen weak hair, improve thickness, add shine, reduce shedding, and naturally blend gray hair. Once again, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more natural hair care recipes. I'll see you in the next one, guys.